Welcome. In this video, we are going to see about the Shiba Inu coin. So Shiba Inu coin is pumped like anything in the last 3 days, and it almost gave 90% of profit to the Shiba Inu holders. It's a very big good news, and all congratulations to the Shiba Inu holders. It almost give 90% pumping in the last few days. Last few days the price was 0.000540 to 0017. So we all know that Shiba Inu all-time high is 0.002. It about to touch the all-time high of the coin already. So now the current price is 0.0017. So in this video, what we are going to see about the reason behind this pumping. So what are the reasons is pumping the Shiba Inu coin, and we have some other questions also here. The Shiba Inu coin maximum price, the Shiba Inu maximum at what price it can reach. The first question is. The second question is 0.01. So at what time it will reach 0.01, and what time it will reach 0.1, and the new buyers and the new investors can do the investment over the Shiba Inu coins or not. Is this the right time to invest the amount in Shiba Inu coin? That we are going to discuss in this video. And at last, the big one, so when it will reach 1 rupee. So Shiba Inu coin will going to reach the 1 rupee sure, but when it will reach 1 rupee. So all these things we are going to discuss about in this video. So please subscribe our channel and share this video and like this video. Actually, no one is expected the pumping from Shiba Inu. So we all know the Shiba Inu coin will going to pump, but this much pumping no one is expected. Why? Because in the max of the exchanges, Shiba Inu coin is on the top, and it almost is 90% of the pumping. So in this Shiba Inu from the publishment, so till now this is not happened. So this is the first time Shiba Inu is reaching this much pumping. So we all know that Shiba Swap is released on July 6 on the Ethereum blockchain. So that is a one reason, and the second reason is the Shiba Inu developers are removing the Shiba Inu coins from the circulating supply. So the supply of the coin is reducing day by day. So they are removing most of the coins from the supplies. So what they have planned, they are doing that. So it will increases the demand in the coin. It will also increases the price. And the third thing, very important thing, Elon Musk supported the Shiba Inu coin. Actually, he released a tweet 2 days before. In the tweet, he showed that his new pet dog name is as a Floki. So it directly support to the Shiba Inu coin. So this is a direct support to the Shiba Inu coin that will increases the price. And the second thing is Bitcoin transaction over the Tesla. Already we know. Now the Shiba Inu coin or Shiba Inu token may be involved in that Tesla transactions. So for the Tesla products and cars, we can use the Shiba Inu coin. That kind of news are releasing in the media. So that may be the second reason for this much hike. But the accepting Shiba Inu tokens for the Tesla products is not officially confirmed. And if you come to the technical analysis, the 21 indicators are showing the highly bullish pattern. So including the RSI indicator, so it's showing the very high bullish pattern. So this is also a reason for the Shiba Inu hike. And we come to the questions. The first thing, prediction. So wallet investors doesn't report that Shiba Inu have this much pumping. So they are telling that Shiba Inu coin will reach 0.1 rupee soon, but it will be a slow and steady progress. They didn't mention that this much pumping will be there in the Shiba Inu coin, and most of the researchers are not aware of this. So Shiba Inu will give this much pump. Why? Because of the Elon Musk tweet and other things, it is pumping like anything. So coming to the point, Shiba Inu, the maximum it can be reach up to 1 rupee, but it will take a very long time. So 0.01. So in this month of end of the month, it can be touch the 0.01, and in the next year it can touch the 0.1 10 paisa. And the important thing, whether the new buyers can invest in Shiba Inu coin or not. Yeah, sure, you can invest in Shiba Inu coin, Shiba Inu tokens, but if you want to be hold for a long time, you can invest. Why? Because now at the present Shiba Inu is on the peak, very peak pumping. So if it is goes down, the new investors will go for the loss. So if you are planning to hold for a long time, absolutely you can invest in Shiba Inu coin. So the next question is when Shiba Inu coin will reach 1 rupee. Shiba Inu coin possibly will reach 1 rupee in next 3 years. This is researchers saying about this coin. So once again, congratulations to all the Shiba Inu holders, and thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like the video and share to your friends. Thank you.